Welcome to Golden Secrets of Public Speaking, expert tips and tricks revealed. Are you ready to master the art of public speaking? Let's dive right in. First, know your audience. Understanding who you're speaking to allows you to tailor your message and connect on a deeper level. So, research, analyze, and adapt your content accordingly. Second, focus on body language. Stand tall, use hand gestures to emphasize key points, and maintain eye contact to build trust and engagement with your audience. Third, conquer your nerves. Take slow, deep breaths to calm your mind and body. Visualize yourself succeeding and see nervousness as excitement. Fourth, structure your speech effectively. Start with a compelling opening to grab attention, deliver your main points clearly and concisely, and end with a memorable conclusion that leaves a lasting impact. Fifth, use storytelling techniques. Humans have been captivated by stories for centuries, so incorporate anecdotes and personal experiences to make your speech relatable and memorable. Sixth, utilize visual aids wisely. Whether it's slides, props, or a whiteboard, visuals can enhance understanding and retention. Just remember, don't let them overpower your message. Seventh, practice, practice, practice. Rehearse your speech multiple times to build confidence and polish your delivery. Record yourself or ask for feedback to identify areas for improvement. And there you have it, the golden secrets of public speaking. Remember, the more you practice and apply these tips, the better you'll become. So, go out there, speak with confidence, and leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Happy public speaking!